When you're working on your credit, you want to be in position to where the banks will give you $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $100,000. So in order to do that, you're not going around disputing every single thing. Oh, I'm disputing this, I'm disputing that. That means you're telling people, this is not mine, I didn't do this, and when you know you did it. That's not the best way to do it. Rebuilding, let me put a positive trade line on. Let me show the banks that I'm ready to rebuild. Let me show the banks that I'm ready to put on some positive. Let me show them that I can borrow and pay back. That's how you fix your credit. You fix your credit for long term. This disputing stuff, some of that stuff come back on your credit. The people are out here giving out a lot of this information. This information is not solid for everybody. You dispute certain things because of the way certain things are on your report, but that's not how you fix your credit. Positive payments on your trade lines. Start paying the people. Borrow things and pay things back. Borrow things and pay things back. And as you do that, that's how you rebuild your credit. All this disputing every day, dispute this, dispute that, no, because you're continuing on the same cycle. You don't want to continue on the same cycle. You want to rebuild and start on a different path. When you start on that different path, you'll see a different type of situation, a different type of outcome. You can go to the banks and say, hey, I want this particular car. And then you don't have to get what they give you because you qualify for that particular car.